Hello, today we will guide you through how to animate numbers counting in PowerPoint. To get started, open the PowerPoint app. Once PowerPoint launches, you'll be ready to build a simple number counting animation using slides. This method is straightforward and works well when you want to create the visual effect of numbers increasing on screen during a presentation. Next, open a blank presentation. Starting with a blank slide gives you a clean workspace and helps you focus only on the number animation without any extra layout elements getting in the way. If needed, you can keep the design simple for now and customize fonts, colors, or background later after the counting effect is working the way you want. Now enter a sample number on the slide. This will be the first number in your counting sequence. Place it clearly in the center or wherever you want the audience's attention to go. Make the text large enough to be easy to read, especially if this presentation will be shown on a larger screen. It also helps to choose a bold, clean font so the numbers remain visible as the slides advance. After that, duplicate the slide and change the number to the next count. For example, if your first slide starts at a lower number, the duplicated slide should show the next number in the sequence. Duplicating the slide is useful because it preserves the same positioning, text style, and layout, so only the number changes. This keeps the animation looking smooth and consistent from one slide to the next. Continue repeating that same method until it looks like the slide is counting. In other words, keep duplicating each slide and updating the number step by step. As the slides play one after another, the audience will see the numbers change quickly, creating a counting effect. For a smoother result, make sure each number stays in exactly the same position on every slide. Even small shifts can make the animation feel less polished. If you want the counting effect to appear more natural, take your time and keep the formatting identical across all slides. Consistency is what makes this technique convincing. Once all the slides are prepared, you can preview the presentation to see how the count appears and decide whether you want to speed it up or slow it down later based on your presentation style. That's it. You've created a number counting effect in PowerPoint by building it slide by slide in a simple, reliable way.